Okay, so I know that it is super dark right now. I am driving to a place so I can do a mukbang real quick. And in between, actually I've paused. Where my car is in this car. I've paused my DoorDash for a minute. So I can do a mukbang real quick. I'm getting hungry. I went to this new place. I went to it's not new. I've just only been there like one time. So I can do this all on my own. Okay. I lost. What am I gonna do now? Hold on. I lost one of the pieces of my thing. I didn't know there was this freaking boat. I'm going right now to get I'm going to go right now to Best Buy and get another thing. Anyway, so I went to, there's a homeless guy right here. I went to Jimmy John's. And this is what the bag says. It takes a freak to make a sandwich that'll make you freak. I got a DLP and some barbecue flavor Jimmy chips. Pretty cool. And this guy is watching me, so I feel really bad. I better lock my doors. So I worked for about 40 minutes, and I've already made about $30. And these are like super big sandwiches. And it says, "Thank you, Jimmy John." I don't know if you guys have it there where you are, but they were like really like oh my gosh, they didn't cut it in half, darn it. Anyway, so it's like this, but I'm gonna chop it in half. Okay. I mean, it took them like 2 seconds to make it. Oh, they don't cook the bacon right then. So I just have lettuce, the bacon, and the tomato. I got this because I don't like to venture out. If I've not eaten there a lot, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and move because I feel kind of creeped out. Not because he's a homeless guy whatsoever. Because I definitely do homeless money. So, I'm just gonna park right here. Okay, a little bit better. So again, I liked it over there too because it had a light like in front of me so I could see my food. But anyways, I don't like to venture out. Like if I go to Denny's, I get the same thing. Yeah. It was really funny. What's really funny is when you order from them, they have two different sizes for any kind of sandwich. Even the sliced bread, I don't know how they do that, unless they make their own. You really can't mess up a BLT. This is really good. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had that on. So, the chips and the sandwich, it cost $7. You don't get a lot of bacon. The bacon is not freshly cooked. It's kind of like this. I could have definitely did this at home. But it is what it is. The chips are really good. Those are really good. But they don't cook them themselves. I really want to get a camera thing that I think I can put on my window, because I've tried the one that goes on my dash. This one here is the one that sticks into your vent. I honestly don't like either one of them. I'm thinking maybe I can get that one that suctions, like a GPS one. But again, I don't know. I am super hungry. Here's my other part. And I've already eaten this much. It's crazy. But I do want to, do this video. Eat my dinner. Oh my gosh, my son was gonna make us ribeye steaks tonight. Oh, he can make them tomorrow. Or I can eat mine tomorrow. So I knew DoorDash was going to be busy because people probably have hangovers. They don't want to cook. I don't blame them. I don't have a hangover, but that's how I would be. This lady just ordered and I honestly don't know. I've never been to this pizza spot, but it's a very small pizza place. It looks like it's probably basically a takeout. It is immaculately clean. I think it's gosh, what, Nazario or something like that. She had a pizza, mozzarella sticks, some other kind of thing, and 2 drinks. And her pizza's name was Mafia Pizza, which I don't know what it had on it, but she spent almost $50. Plus, when I got to the door, she added on her tip in the actual DoorDash thing. I think it was like $5. When I got to the door, she gave me a $20 tip. That's always amazing. I'm at the end of my food. The sandwich wasn't bad. It would have been really better if it had been thick cut bacon and freshly baked or whatever. So I do have my second half. I'm not going to eat it right now. I am super stuffed. So this is going in my bag. Oh yeah. It cost me $7.58. The chips were $1.59. The sandwich is just $5.99, so that's not bad. I forgot the chips cost. Alright guys. So this little fat girl, or big fat girl, has eaten her meal. Gonna go back to DoorDash. I hope you guys are having a good night. I'm stuffed. I hope you're satisfied.